Working with pandas series. What is a series in pandas? Series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of storing values of any data type such as integers, floating point numbers, strings, etc. The axis labels are referred to as the index. We can think of a pandas series as a column in a spreadsheet. By default, series will have numeric data labels starting from 0. We can also assign our own labels as an index for the series. We can create a series in many different ways in pandas. We will learn how to create a series in various ways one by one. Let's create a pandas series using scalar values. Here we will create a pandas series equivalent to the spreadsheet column shown at the right-hand side. We may consider the column as a list of integers. We can pass this list to the pandas series method to create a pandas series. Let's display the newly created series. And see, the series is very similar to the spreadsheet column. We may check the type of S1 this way. See, it's a pandas series. Carefully observe the output. It has two columns, the index is on the left and the data values are on the right. As we have not supplied the index, Python has created a numeric index with 0, 1, 2, etc. on its own. If necessary, we may assign our own user-defined labels as an index. Let's check this example. Here, we are supplying a list of integers as an index for the series. Now the index of the series is as per the supplied list. When a user-defined index is passed with the values, the length of the index and values must be the same, else it will raise value error. It is not necessary that the index must be numbers only, we may also use strings as an index. Here is an example. Now, Sam, Bill, Tom, etc. are the index for the series. We may also create a series with non-numeric values also. Here are two examples. We can easily create a pandas series from NumPy array. Here is an example of this. Creating a series from a dictionary. You know that a Python dictionary consists of key-value pairs. When we create a series using a dictionary, the keys form the index and values becomes the series. Here is an example. Now we know how to create a pandas series in Python. Now we will learn how to access the values from a pandas series. Accessing the elements of a series using indexing. Consider the series S5. 2 is the positional index for 55. So, S2 returns 55. We may also use the index label Tina for accessing 55. More than one element of a series can be accessed using a list of positional integers or a list of index labels as shown in the following examples. Accessing the elements of a series using slicing. Sometimes we may need to extract a part of a series. This can be done through slicing. This is similar to slicing of strings. Here is an example. The positional indexes of the elements are like this. When we slice a series using positional indexes, the end index is excluded. Here is another example. Observe that the element corresponding to the index 2 is not included in the output. Now let's slice the series using index labels. In this case, both the starting label and end label are included in the output. The index of a series can be altered by assigning new index. Here is an example. This is all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe the channel for such lessons. Enjoy coding. Bye.